Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York, and I asked you guys, how did I like this? So here's a fun one. I had a couple of friends that I had photographed independently, each, and they were like, hey, can we do something together? And we wanted to create something with a really cool dynamic, and again, using color. We had shot a lot of black and white, a lot of film actually, between us, and we wanted to do something interesting. This is actually digital. And we're like, let's mess around and play with the medium and let's see what we can get here. So this is a fairly simple shot and it's just using a few basic things. So what we did was we set up in my space and I immediately gelled the key light, the one on our front subject. I gelled it warm, a little bit warmer than tungsten, right? With the CTO, and then I added, I think, a half CTO on top of it. Then I set my camera's white balance to tungsten. That made the rest of the space blue. Okay, so any flash is going to look kind of blue in here. And I actually let the shutter drag a little bit to let some of the window light come in. That's why it's kind of nice and even. Then I added a couple of lights to the picture. Number one, I added a light on my model in the back. This right here is a kind of a small softbox, not extra small, but like a small softbox. And in addition to that, I added a hard light, which is coming from the same direction. So when you look at this image, it looks like light is coming all the way past her to here, but actually it's two different lights, right? And then of course in the front is just very, very simple. This is a medium-ish size softbox, like a 36-inch softbox, lighting her up nice and even, nice and simple, no fill needed. It kind of wrapped around nicely. And with that, we have separation both through color and through, light and shadow, and then also through mood. Right? They're looking in different directions. It kind of creates this dreamy feel, and that's what we're going for. So real fun to do, real simple, using color, using the medium that we have to create the image that we want to do. If you like videos like this, go ahead and like it, of course. Subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, do all that good YouTube stuff that you can do. If you check the description below, you'll find a link to my Discord server. You can sign up over there and join the conversation. Also a link to my Patreon if you want to support the channel, and I'll talk to you soon.